Hello po. In this video, we're going to show you the difference of planting Diamante Max tomato with plastic mulch and without plastic mulch. This video will benefit those farmer or gardener or planting tomato and other crops for production. It will also benefit the aspiring farmer, the beginner farmer, and the old farmer. In our channel, we also welcome review of seeds, hybrid seeds, review of insecticide, herbicide, review of tools and equipment. So let's continue. So I am now showing you the Diamante Max tomato. That's more than 2 months old. This tomato is planted beside the eggplant. It is about 80 centimeters in distance. So you can see the fruit of the tomato, clustered fruit of the tomato. It's already tied 4 times using a stick, a bamboo stick that's about 3.5 feet in height. It is just inserted beside the plant so that it will control, or it will give protection, and it will carry the heavy fruits of the tomato. So I will show you the whole part of the tomato, so that later on you can compare which is better, to a better way of producing tomato, especially this Django or Daymax Diamante Max variety from SOS. We're going to compare the production or planting without plastic mold, and later on I'll show you the tomato Diamante Max with plastic molds. So at 2 months, you can still see that the tomato is bearing flower and fruits, while it has already much fruits here at the lower portion of the plant. It has some fruits that already ripening. So this is planted without plastic molds. You will going to judge whether which is better and more in production, the tomato without plastic molds or the tomato with plastic molds. This one is does not bear more fruits because it is planted alternately with the string beans. Maybe the string beans absorbs some nutrients, so that's why it does not produce more fruits. But approximately the fruits of this tomato is about 2 to 3 kilos, no? While compared to the previous one that I have showed you, it is 4 kilos. Now let's go to the part where the tomato Diamante Max is planted in the plastic, in the plat with plastic mold. So here it is. So you can see and compare to the one that is planted in the soil without plastic molds. They have the same treatment. I drench this with winner and urea. The previous one, the tomato without plastic molds, I also drench it with winner and urea. But the only difference, this is we put more organic fertilizer here. And the previous one, the tomato without plastic molds, I also side dress urea there. But as you can see, you will be the one to judge which has more fruit and better, the tomato with plastic molds or the tomato without plastic molds. We are showing you this one just to give you an idea which one to follow or what kind of technique will you going to use in planting tomato. So I'm now showing you the idea and difference of planting both tomato in a plastic molds with trellis, and the tomato without plastic molds but with trellis. So you can see the fruits. This is clustered. Okay, so I hope I have shown you and given you an idea and which technique and procedure to follow. Thank you for watching our videos, and thank you for subscribing in our channel Tech Poop-Up. I hope that you will continue to watch and like our videos. God bless everyone.